I'm Paul, and this is Edith, my wife. We've lived here about 11 years, and we're very thankful for the awning because we can sit here and watch the neighbors play frisbee out in the cul-de-sac. And I like to sit out here and read. And this is a very fine time to get it because tomorrow is Thanksgiving, but it is also my 92nd birthday. We didn't.
We had an umbrella that we put up and down, and when the wind would blow, we had to put it down because it would blow over, and then it got where it was very difficult to put it up and down. So this is really a blessing.
We'd have to wait until the sun would go down to read because it'd be too hot out here most of the time.
Yeah.
I look forward to more reading time out here.
And people stop by. Yesterday we had some people here and we were fighting the sun. And it's wonderful to have people stop by and see us because we don't get out otherwise. And
make it a more pleasant experience being on the patio. Our daughter and her family lived across the street over here. And so we could keep an eye on them.
And they can keep an eye on us.
It looks nice. It's a nice accent to the house. And we're just very thankful for it. Robert came out, but I think it was the last day of October on Halloween Day, and encouraged us to, measure it and encouraged us to get one. And he wrote it up and took care of us very, very nicely. Thank you very much. We appreciate all that John and Carlos have done. They've done a nice job, and we appreciate it.
It's awesome. We're just thrilled to have it. Thank you so much. It's just beyond our hope and expectations.
Wildest expectations.
Thank you. All crochets.
Thank you.